Students, today we are starting the next lesson and our lesson name is the divisibility. I hope all of you studied this test of divisibility last year also. So today just we will recall the that divisibility test of here it is given which 2, 5 and the 10. So what is the test divisibility test of 2? Suppose here are some numbers, okay? Here are some numbers. So from this number, how many numbers are divisible by 2? Which numbers are divisible by 2? So the divisibility of test of 2 is that if a number contains 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at its unit place, then the given number is divisible by 2. That is the divisibility test of 2. So first of all, as per this definition of the divisibility test of 2, we'll check the unit place of the each number. So if you see here, at unit place of 125, which number is there? 5. Okay, according to the test of the 2, the 5 if number which want at unit place 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So here it is there, here it is 5 and 5 is not there in our list, so this number is not divisible by 2. Okay, now move towards the next number, that is which number is there at unit place? 4. Yes, it is there in our list of the numbers, so this number, that is 364, is divisible by 4. Okay, now if you see here it is 5. Okay, and 5 is not there in our register, so this number is not divisible by 2. Now here it is 750. You have to check only the unit place of a number, so here it is also 0. Okay, so if a 0 is there at unit place, here it is, I told you, if 0 is there at unit place of a number 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 inside, if 0 is there in unit place, so if you see here it is 0, so 750, 800 and 8710, these three numbers are divisible by 2. Because why? Because 0 is at unit place. Okay, again we will see 628. Which number is there at unit place? The number is the 8. Okay, so 8 is there at unit place, that's why this number is also divisible by 2. Next it is a 206. So 6 is here at unit place, so 206 is also divisible by 2, because according to the definition of the divisibility test of the 2, here it is 8. So 8 is there, so this number is also divisible by 2. If you see here 7009, 9 is there at unit place, and 9, it is not there, not a even number, and what happens, it is not divisible by 2. Okay, and in this number 5345, 5 is at unit place, and if 5 is at unit place, this number is not divisible by 2. So according to the definition, the numbers which contains 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, those numbers are there only which are divisible by 2. Okay, now we will see, recall the divisibility test for the which 5. Okay, so I think all of you recall this because it is very easy test of the 5 test, that is if a number contains 0 and 5, 0 and 5 at which place? That is unit place of a number, then the given number is divisible by 5. Okay, now here this question we are not taking, we are just taking the examples for reference of this example. Now if you see here, you will get the 0 and 5. Which numbers have 0 and 5 at unit place? So the number 125, unit place number is 5. 475, so 5 is at unit place. 750, 0 is at unit place. 800, 0 is at unit place. Here 628, 8 is unit place, that's why this number is not divisible by 5, because we want which numbers at unit place? 0 and 5. So 628 is not divisible by 5. 206, it is also not divisible by 5 because unit place it contains a 6. 508, So 8 is at unit place. So this number is also not divisible by 5. Now here 7009. So unit place which number is there? 9. And 9 is the if 9 is there at unit place, the number is not divisible by 5. And at last means this is not divisible by 5. Now if you see here the number 5345, 5 is there at unit place, and at last 8710. So these numbers which I have circled with the pink color, they contain 0 and 5 at unit place, 0 and 5 at unit place. That's why these numbers are divisible by 5. These numbers are divisible by 5. Okay, understood all of you? Then next and one more thing is that some numbers are there, they are divisible by more than one numbers. For example 2, this 800, 750, afterwards 200 and these two numbers are not divisible by 5 because 8 and here by mistake I wrote it here. So 200 and for the explanation I gave you here. So here this 125, 720, 475, 750, 800, 5345, 8710. These numbers are there, they are divisible by 5. And the thing that I am telling that the numbers are there, some numbers are divisible by more than one number also. And that's here if you notice here these numbers which I have circled here, they are divisible by 5, but some of the number from this are divisible by 2 also and 10 also. Okay, that we will see after tens test. Okay, so here these numbers, just I mark it with right marker. These numbers are 750, 800 and 8710. These numbers are divisible by 5 also, 2 also and 10 also, because the tens test is that if a number contains 0 at unit place, what? 0 at unit place, then the number is divisible by what? 10. So if you see here in these numbers inside 750, 800 and 8710. So these numbers are there, they are divisible by 10. They are divisible by 10. Okay, so the according to the test. So if you see here 750, I circle to it. Okay, I circle with pink color, then blue mark is there, and that's why it is divisible by 5 also, 2 also, and right mark shows that it is divisible by 2 also. Means the 800, 750, 8710, these numbers are there, they are divisible by 2, 5, 10. Okay, and also they are divisible by other numbers also, but after understanding the test of divisibility test of the particular numbers, we will decide that whether they are divisible by other number or not. Okay, so after the revision of 0, 2, 5 and 10 test, now we will move towards the next question, and the question is the here, read the numbers given below. Read the numbers given below. Which of these numbers are divisible by 2, 5 or by 10, and write them in the boxes. Write them in the boxes. So just now we seen this only example I have taken. Okay, so instead of writing, I will just stick it here and you just write down, because in your notebook you have to complete this. So first of all, we will see that the numbers divisible by 2. So according to the 2's test, which numbers are divisible by 2? Those numbers which has 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8 at their unit place. These numbers are divisible by what? 2. So here the numbers which contains 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at unit place are 364, then 750, 800, 628, 206, 508, then afterwards 8710. If you see the numbers unit place of these numbers, you will notice that they are even numbers or they have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at their unit place. That's why these numbers are divisible by 2. So you have to write here in that way, 364, then 750, then all these numbers you have to write in your notebook and send me after the watching video. Now the numbers which are divisible by 5. After this we will see which numbers are divisible by 5 from this above series. So what is the test for the divisibility test for the 5? So the divisibility test for 5 is the number which contains 0 and 5, 0 and 5 at unit place. Those numbers are divisible by 5. So if you check here, 125, 125, then 4,475, 750, 8,800, then here 8, 6, 8, 9. So these numbers are not divisible by 5, but here it is 5,345, 5 is at unit place, 8,710, 0 is at unit place. So the numbers which I have underlined in the above are divisible by 5. So write down these numbers in this box. Okay, after this we will see the numbers which are divisible by 10. So just now I explain you the test divisibility for a test for 10, and what is its test? If a number contains 0 at unit place, then those numbers are divisible by 10. So which numbers are divisible by 10? Those we have which contain 0 at unit place. So from the numbers given above, 750, 800, 8,710, these three numbers have 0 at unit place. That's why these three numbers are divisible by 10. So you have to write here these numbers, that is 750, afterwards 800, and then 8,710. These numbers are divisible by 10. Okay, so you have to complete this and you have to send me. Now after this we will see the divisibility test. So if you see this table, let us study some more test and complete the table they told you. So first of all, what we have to do here, you have to complete this activity actually. So if you see here, sum of the digits in the number we have to do here. So what is the sum of the numbers here? So 6 plus 3, 9. First column we will complete at first, and then we will see the next column. Okay, so here 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. Now we will do the addition of the next number. Here 8 plus 7 plus 2 is equals to how much it is there? The sum of numbers in digits in the number is 17. Okay, so we wrote it here 17. Next it is the 91. 91. Now 9 plus 1. 9 plus 1 is equals to how much it is there? 10. We have to write here the addition of the number, sum of the digits. Now here 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. That how many? What is the sum of these numbers? 12. Now moving towards the next number, here it is 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. And 15 plus 6 is equals to how much is the sum of these numbers? Digits of these numbers is equal to 21. Then next number is the 4527. What is the number? 4527. Now if you will do the sum of these numbers, you will notice that 5 plus 4 is equals to 9. 9 plus 2 is equals to 9 plus 2 is equals to how much? 11, and 11 plus 7 is equals to 18. So sum of the digits from the number 4527 is 18. Okay, now this is the sum I have wrote it here. Now is the sum of the next box is the next column is the here it is the sum of sum divisible by 3. So here first already they gave us 3 plus 6 is equal to 9, and 3 is table inside third place 9 is there. So this 9 is divisible by 3. Okay, now 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, and 3 3s are 9. So that number is divisible by which? 3. So the sum of number, that is 9. 9 is there in the table of 3 or divisible by 3. That's why this whole number, that is 63, is divisible by 3. In that way this test is there. Okay. Now next we will see the sum of the digits from the number 8,870 2. So the sum of digit is equal to 17. And if you say the 3's table, 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18. So 17 is not divisible by 3. Means it is absent in the table of 3, and that's why the sum is not divisible by 3. Here it is we wrote, and that's why is the number divisible by 3? No, this number is not divisible by 3. If you just check the division, if I will show you, wait here. If you check here 8,000, wait, I will divide it here. 8,872 we have to divide with 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Okay. If I will do the subtraction, 8 minus 6, how much I will get it here? 2. Now here 7 I will write here forward. 3's table inside 27 is there? Yes. So 3 nines are 27. Now here it is remain 0. Now note down this 2 here. So now tell me, 3's table inside 2 is there. Now the 2 is not in table of 3, and it will remain as it is. Means it is the remainder, it will remain as it is, and that's why what happens, we have this number is not completely not divisible by 3, and that's why what happens, from this what we are understanding, that the number is not divisible by 3 also, and its sum is also not divisible by 3. So that activity we have to do, means actually we have to do this activity and we have to derive the statement for the 3 steps. That's why it is given. First I was forgot to show you divide, that is just now we seen that 9, 3 3s are 9 is there, so that 9 is divisible by 3, that's why we give correct mark here. We will check the 63 is there in the table of 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, so minus 6, 0 we are taken, 3 we just note down here, 3 ones are 3, so here 3 minus 3 is equals to how much? 0. So 21 is coming. So now if you divide 63 by 3, you will notice that the remainder is 0. But when we divide 8,872 then by 3, then we got remainder as a 2. So from this what we are understanding, the number is divisible by 3 when its sum is divisible, the sum of digits of a number is divisible by 3. Okay, so in that way we have to solve this, complete this box. Okay, so here next numbers we will see. Here it is 91. Okay, 91, and 9 plus 1 10. Here I wrote it's a addition. And if you see 10. Okay, if you divide this 91 with the 3, 3 3s are 9. Okay, then here it is 0 and 1. Okay, now the 1 is not there in the table of 3, so here we are taking the 0, and here is the remainder 1. So remainder remains, so it is not completely divisible by 3. So here its sum is also not divisible by 10. This sum of digit is also not divisible by 10, and the number itself is also not divisible by 3. Now the next it is the 552. Sum of digit is 12. Now is the sum divisible by 3? If you say the number table of 3, you will notice that 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, and 3 fours are 12. So the fourth means if you divide this 12 with the 3, you will get the remainder means 0. And if you divide this 552, you will get the remainder 0, because just now we seen that if its sum is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. Okay, so I will divide the 552 by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. Now take the 5 here. Next, now 3 ones are 3, 3 6 are 18, 3 wait 3 8s are 24. So here 24. Then if you divide, do the subtraction, you will get here 2, 12, and 3 4s are 12. You will get the answer 0, remainder 0, and that's why what happens, this number is, here we have to write the 12 and here it will be the remainder is 0. So you are getting the remainder is 0. That's why this number is divisible by which 12, 3. So in this way we have to find out that whether the number is divisible by 3 or not. Next two activities I will write. Then next to example solution I will write it here. So here if you see the 21, sum of the digits of a number 9336 is the 21, and 21 is divisible by 3 because 9 3s are 7 3s are 21. So that's why this, or 3 7s are 21. That's why the sum is divisible by, the sum of digit is divisible by 3. And if you divide, you just divide all of you, 9336, if you divide with the 3, you will get answer 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9, again 3 1s are 3, again 3 1s are 3, and 3 2s are 6. So 3112 we are getting, and the remainder is 0. That's why the number 9336 is divisible by 3. Okay, now the next number is the 4527, and the sum of digits of this 4527 is the 18, and 18 is there in the table of 3. 3 6 are 18. So that number is divisible by 3. Now whether we will check this number is divisible by 3 or not. So if you divide the 4527 by 3, we will get it here 4527. I will divide in short method. 3 1s are 3. Here it's a 3 1s are 3. Remainder is 1, that we are writing in front of 5. So 3 5s are 15. Then here 2 is not divisible by 3. That's why take it is 0. And the 2 cut it in. You write it here in front of 22. So here it is 27. And 27 is at which place? In 3's table inside. 3's table inside. At 9th place it is 27, and afterwards we are getting the remainder as a 0, and the answer is 1509. So from this what we are understanding, the number 4527 is also divisible by 5, and it's a sum, that is, which is the sum of this is the 4527 sum, that is 18, is also divisible by 3. So in that's why this number is divisible by 3 also. So from this activity what we are understanding, when a number is divisible by 3, when the sum of digits of a number is divisible by 3, then the number of divisible by 3. Okay, so today all of you complete this box. Okay, I will cut it now and move towards the definition of the divisibility test of 3. So here it is, if the sum of digits in a number is divisible by 3, then number is divisible by 3. So whenever they are asking to you whether the given number is divisible by 3 or not, what we have to see here, suppose this number I gave you, okay, and I ask you whether it is divisible by 3 or not. So what you have to do, you have to do the addition of this number. So 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 6 and 4 is equal to how much? 10, and 7, 17 is there. 17 is there in the table of 3? No. So this number is not divisible by 3. Other, if we are taking instead of 3 here, if we are taking here 4, okay. Now if you do the addition of these numbers, you will get answer how much? 4 8, 8 plus 6 is equal to 14, 15 16 17 18. You will get answer here 18. Sum of the digit is 18. So 18 is there in the table of 3, and that's why this number is also divisible by 3. So all of you do the practice of this test today and write your own numbers which are divisible by 3. Okay, 10 numbers you have to write which are divisible by 3, and you have to send me. Okay, so today we will stop here only. Okay, thank you and have a good day.